Welcome to live money training for customers. If you are on the live call, use the chat box to chat with me, ask questions if you want. And if you are watching this video recording from YouTube or any other channel, then please do know that this is a paid training, but we are uploading it for free for my YouTube and other viewers. So hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and everyone you know, especially your social media timelines like Facebook and Twitter, because we're going to show you how you can make money the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way from anywhere in the world, from any experience level, and you can get paid via PayPal, Stripe, bank transfer, cryptocurrency, your choice. So it's for everyone, whether you purchase something from us or not. But we will be using our software for demonstration because it's a customer's training. We will be using our software Epic because Epic allows us to connect with our customers using videos without making videos. I mean, without making videos using camera and microphone. Epic allows us to make videos using image, links, and texts. Epic writes the scripts for us using artificial intelligence. Just copy any text, put it here, use any of this button. The text is rewritten for you. Take the text, go to the audio section, use the text to audio, just title it and put it here, put your text here. Just one button and your natural sounding voiceover is ready. How cool is that? That Epic allows you to make bite-sized videos, tiny bite-size, 1 second to 10 minutes long videos right here. And you can save your campaign, go out, do something else, come back anytime, add more sections. And once you are ready, click one button, the render button, and the video is ready in the background. Once it's ready, you get an email notification, download it, upload it anywhere you want, and connect with your customers. And this will take us to today's money motivation. But before that, Epic is free to start. Link is in the description. Even if you don't have Epic access yet, go ahead, use the link in the description and start today. Epic will get you customers and we will show you how, step by step, in this training. So stay tuned till the end of the training. Let's go to today's money motivation. You see here $356,722. This money is made by our beautiful affiliates. They promoted our products and made this money. Affiliates made $188,709 in affiliate commissions, and rest of the money came to me. But although money is the motivation, but this is not the most important number here. Wow, really? So what is the most important number? The most important numbers are these numbers. These are the clicks on our affiliate links by our valued visitors, the viewers of our videos. They loved our content. We built trust using our content, our videos. And our videos are simple, Epic made videos, image, links, and text. So these people got their questions answered through our videos. They loved us, they trusted us, they clicked on our links. These are the number of clicks, and these clicks generated all this money and all these commissions. This is the secret of making money online. And if all our thousands of affiliates from all over the world can make money, you can do it too. Stay tuned till the end of the video, and Epic is free to start. Link is in the description. So let us begin. It starts with a painful story, and let's put this painful story into a solution and promote an affiliate product. And we will show you how we do it on day-to-day basis. So simple, and you can do it too. Here is the story, and here is what happened. I had a subscription of a media company called iStockPhoto, a stock media company called iStockPhoto. I'm sure you have heard the name. And that was an annual subscription, but I had to pay monthly recurring basis. After using them for a couple of months, we decided to cancel the contract because we are not using their service anymore. So we sent them an email saying, hey, I want to cancel the contract, so please cancel the contract. They said, however, we cannot just cancel the annual subscription. Wow, really? And the reason they mentioned is that we have already downloaded some image and we are supposed to pay for those images whether we use them or not. So we have to pay them on pro rata basis. And if we don't, for usage, they might sue us. And to avoid legal actions, we had to continue and look at this. This is one of the invoices that shows the 11th invoice. It says we have processed 11 of 12 installments for your subscription because we had to pay the full. But today, life is not that hard. We have solutions like this. It's called prostock.live, and they have an affiliate program. So I want to promote this as an affiliate. So let me show you how we make up a story and make a simple video with that story. So I have taken the screenshot of the email conversation. So I'm gonna copy it and I go to Epic Editor or start a video. And if I want to add an image, I will go to the image section and just click here, paste that image, upload it, and the image will be uploaded. I have done this before in my other videos and I will be doing it multiple times here as well, so stay tuned. Now let's say I want to take this text, which is, I found this image, by the way, I found from here. It's Google image, okay? The list of reasons why should I buy stock photos. So first I will talk about the benefits of stock photos. I took the screenshot and I copied the text here, I put the text here and put the screenshot here just to show you. And then I will copy this text and then I will go to the audio section. I can use multiple options like upload any voiceover or audio if I already have ready, or I can directly record from my microphone just by clicking this button, or I can use text to audio. So for that, just click add, give it a title. So name it intro, the quality, the type of voiceover or the voiceover artist, and paste the text. Now, by the way, you can use the text section and recreate the text if you want using AI, artificial intelligence. So go click submit and see the magic. Listen to the sound.
Benefits of using stock photos. Stock photos provide a lot of choices.
So, you know, it's easy to create a natural sounding voiceover without recording using microphone. So if you are like me, uncomfortable in front of microphone, then you don't have to. Now let me show you an interesting game. Delete this, paste the text here. Then I will select this text and I will add this text. You see, only this text is added. Cool? Now I will play the audio, and as the audio goes, I will keep adding small text. Let me show you how it works.
Benefits of using stock photos. Stock photos provide a lot of choice.
I want to choose a lot of choices.
Give you the right to use
intellectual property.
Save time. High resolution pictures at save time.
Save time. High resolution pictures.
Resolution pictures at your fingertips. Before you purchase, you can test.
And you can test. So that's it. Now I'm going to bring them here, make it bigger, a little bit of formatting if I want, give it a different color if I want. After half a minute of back and forth, this is how it became.
Benefits of using stock photos. Stock photos provide a lot of choices. Give you the right to use intellectual property. Save time. High resolution pictures at your fingertips. Before you purchase, you can test the photo.
Right? Then I will go to the next section and say, but this can be a big pain, and I will tell them their story. So how can I tell them their story if I don't have a script ready? This is something new. So for that, I go to any voice to text software to generate text. Link in the description, you will get my voice to text software. You can grab it. So the one I'm gonna use, it's here. I'm gonna say, here's a story of my subscription to iStock Photo. I had an annual iStock Photo subscription. After paying for a couple of months, we decided not to use their service anymore. So we asked them to cancel our subscription, but they denied, saying we can't cancel annual subscription. So we had to pay for full year without using their subscription. Now I'm going to copy this and go to the text section, paste the text here, and then Control-C. There are two ways you can go. Either you can use your own voiceover, or you can simply go to the audio section. The same way you can give it a title, select the quality, voiceover, type, paste your text, and click submit. So this is how it looks like.
This can be a big problem as well. Here is a horror story of my subscription to iStock Photo. I had an annual iStock Photo subscription. After paying for a couple of months, we decided not to use their service anymore, so we asked them to cancel our subscription. But they denied, saying we can't cancel annual subscription. So we had to pay for full year without using their assets. You can imagine how
Got it? You like it? In the next section, we will just go to the sales page and we will take a screenshot. We will upload the screenshot and we will simply say, but there is a solution and this is the solution. And we might go on and on, say many different benefits of this offer. And finally, we show the price saying that this is very, very cheap. Link is in the description. Yeah, by the way, I will drop a link of this offer in the description so you can get it too. And that is it. So basically, we are helping our viewers with information and offer them solution to the problem. And usually the solutions are paid solutions, which are our affiliate offers. And we drop the links in the description, in the first comments, and in the bios if they are on Instagram and TikTok. So this is it. This is how easy it is to make money online using simple information videos using Epic. Epic is free to start, link is in the description. Go grab Epic and start today. Did you enjoy the training? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn, our customers and everyone else learns how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And we want to help a lot of people and you can participate in that. Just hit the like button and share this video with everyone you know. And share this video on your social media timelines like Facebook and Twitter so everyone else knows about this and they will like you, they will follow you for sharing this information, and eventually they will become your first customers and client. This is how we make money and hundreds of thousands of other people make money. And you can do it too. Go ahead, hit the like button, share this video, grab Epic from the link in the description, and subscribe to our channel. Switch on the notification bell button. This way YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video. And we will see you in the next one.